Nestled in the tranquil bushland of Sydney's northern beaches, Wyvern Private Hospital is a new benchmark in private healthcare. A purpose-built 85-bed facility delivering excellence across spinal, orthopaedic, vascular, cardiology, ENT and plastic surgery. To support its high-performance environment, Wyvern needed more than just storage. It needed a partner to deliver a complete clinical storage system, one that would meet strict infection control standards, streamline workflows, and help staff deliver exceptional care. Following a competitive tender process, SpaceLogic was selected to lead the design, manufacture, and installation of tailored clinical storage across the facility. The challenge? To deliver robust, hygienic, and future-proof systems, all while meeting tight timelines and aligning with the hospital's architectural and operational vision. Working closely with FF&E consultants and project managers, we developed a fully modular solution, purpose-built for the demands of modern healthcare. Every basket, tray, and shelving component was manufactured in stainless steel. Why? To ensure maximum hygiene, durability, and long-term infection control compliance. From sterile stock rooms to procedure rooms and general storage, every zone was designed to work smarter, improving access and flow for busy clinical teams. The result? A high-performance storage environment that directly supports Wyvern Health's mission of delivering exceptional patient outcomes. SpaceLogic's solution enabled smooth operational flow, high hygiene standards, and efficient stock management throughout our facility. Today, Wyvern benefits from enhanced infection control, improved team efficiency, scalable infrastructure for future growth, and a seamless experience for patients and staff alike. At SpaceLogic, we design smarter storage to help healthcare teams do what they do best: care. Because when storage systems work invisibly, care flows effortlessly.